Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you trying to get your grind on in Subway Surfers but getting stuck on the loading screen? It is a super annoying glitch that keeps you from running. Don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes to get you past that screen and back on the tracks. First off, let's start with the easiest thing your internet connection. Even though Subway Surfers is mostly an offline game, it still needs to connect to the servers to load events, leaderboards, and other features. So go ahead and switch from your Wi Fi to mobile data or the other way around and see if that helps. And if you weren't on Wi Fi, try restarting your router. It is a simple fix that works wonders. Next up, let's try freeing up your phone's memory. Too many apps running in the background can slow everything down and cause the game to freeze. So close all other applications and then try launching Subway Surfers again. If that still doesn't work, a full restart of your phone or tablet can clear out any temporary software glitches that are causing the problem. Now, if you are on an Android device, a super effective fix is to clear the game's cache. Head into your phone settings, find apps, then Subway Surfers. And in the storage and cache section, you'll see an option below to clear cache. This is totally safe. It won't delete your high scores or coins, and can often fix loading issues by removing corrupted and temporary files. Another thing to consider is whether your game is up to date. The developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. So head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Subway Surfers, and make sure you have the latest version installed. If there's an update available, install it, and then try to load the game again. Games need a certain amount of free storage space to run correctly. Go to your phone settings and check how much space you have available. If your storage is nearly full, the game might not have enough room to load new files. Try deleting some old photos, videos, or unused apps to free up some space. Finally, if you have tried everything else and the game is still stuck, a clean reinstallation might be the last resort. But a huge warning here, before you uninstall, make sure your game progress is linked to your Google Play Games or Apple App Game Center account. If it's not, you will lose all your progress, coins, and characters. Once your account is safe, uninstall the app, restart your device, and then download Subway Surfers again from the store. I really hope one of these fixes worked for you and you're back to dodging those trains. Let me know in the comments which solution helped you, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!